Hi, my name is Francois Racine. Welcome to this 1-minute tip about TasksXpert, which is a tool available with the ToolXperts. This tool that already exists allows background operations to be performed while you're working, but you can now define new actions in it. So if I just use the SolidXperts menu to go to the TasksXpert configuration panel, now you have an Actions tab here. So if I add a new action, you have three types of action at the moment. So you can get an update of the date, you can get an information from Windows, or also run a macro. So let's say I would like a property to be updated with a date, so I will use the getDate action type, then type, let's say, the date custom property, and then I will select the format for the date. You can type the format by yourself, or you can select one of the predefined formats. You can see here that the preview is showing what you selected. So if you want to type by yourself, you just have to respect the Windows standard, like using Y for the year, then capital M for the month, and also D for the day. If you're using the lowercase m, this will be for minutes. And then you select when you want this action to be performed by TasksXpert. So I will select parts and for every rebuild. So if I click OK and then OK again, now if I go to my properties, I see that there's none. So if I just cancel and hit rebuild, now I get the property that's created. So every time I will rebuild in a file or part, I will get this property to be updated. Another type of action is to get the Windows user. So if I go back to the TasksXpert configuration panel, I will add another action of type get Windows information. And now the only one I can use at the moment is to get the username. So let's type a property name like username. Then I will check this action for parts and for every rebuild. So again, if I just close and rebuild the model, then I see that the custom property is updated. So the last action you can create with this is to run a macro. So again, if you go to Actions and add a new one, you just select Run a Macro. Here, no custom property will be updated, but you can select the macro to be run and define at what moment you want this macro to be run. Thank you.